Hey friends, Erlans here with a new episode of Erlans DIY. So today we are going to be replacing this door hinge and we are going to replace this with black. So just the same thing but different color. So it's one of the things that we requested the builder to upgrade to black, but they did not offer it for some reason, which I don't understand. And it's quite a waste now that I have to remove this and install what we like. So it's going to be very straightforward to do that. So just going to do it one at a time. I'm going to remove the first one here. I'm going to start on the middle. So I'm going to remove this one and remove on this side. So once that is removed, take that out and replace it right away with a new one. Put a new one right there. Alright, so come back in. Alright, first one is done. I'm going to remove the bottom one now. Just push this in and this will come out. Alright, now come here to the top one. Push that and pull. Alright, for this one, for the top one, I'm going to have a stopper in the back to make sure that the door it stops at the position that I want. So to do that, I'm going to remove this one and put the stopper behind it. Right, so this is the stopper. I'm going to use this one. So open up this is the stopper and then pull this one out. This is pull that out, and that's how it's going to be. And this one is on the back of the door. This one, so it goes like that, and you put this back in. That's your stopper, and then this is where you adjust to wherever you want the door opening to stop. So with that, I can just slide it here, or I can go in the back and put that. Okay, so now I can come on this side and lock this one. And voila, and it's done. So now I can try to, you see the stopper is holding. So if I want a door to open wider, I'll just adjust the stopper in the back. So as I adjust it, I can open it wider. so that will be good enough. Alright, now that that part is done, we are going to go ahead and replace this one. Put the black one here as well. To do that, we are going to take this inside here. And unscrew this. I'm just pulling this out. Now come here, remove this one, and remove this as well. We'll take this out and get on this box. I got this from Amazon and it's a very good quality. I installed it on a couple of doors already, and I really love how soft it is and how it comes back after you release it. Alright, so I'm going to put this in. This is the direction. It's going to close. You want this partition to be facing inside, outside. I'll just push this in. Alright, that's in. And all I need to do now is just to screw that in place. Voila, that one is good. And I'll come here, I'll remove this one as well. And I'll put the black one here. Couple of screws for that. Voila, that part is done. Now we come to the last part. This part is inside, to lock from the inside. So just pull this, slide this in, and unlock it here. There we go. Take this screw here. Put it right there. And that's good. So for the other one, I just need to unlock the door, bring this down, and have some room there to screw this in. Alright, so I'm going to finish this with the screwdriver. You don't want to go too tight with this one. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and tie it further with this one, with the screwdriver, and voila, that's it. So easy. Voila, it is done. As you can see, the look is so different now. And let's go on the other side. And voila, it makes a whole big difference. I love it compared to this silver. Alright, thank you for watching. This is Elon's DIY. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and see you soon in another video of Elon's DIY.